how I know what that done. I say, contractor be back. Well, from crowd say, in Yano, where the man into all the nipple of Bubu, what kind of cry in Yajuma. Into compensation cry, and why I said, or Mumu, Tinani or Mopen, or me a craft for none, and or Mopen, so no, or move back in Yano. Omu change of omu pioneers anyway near Uga Forest anyway in Ara.
At the party, I remember when they say, and then I make confess and so that how it may shake. A human nominal, so no, and son and in our says I'm a bad meeting, but when we say a few shana MY. I say a new SC of Cocom, but when we say a book on the Anaswa MY. I felt Crumbs, I was here in Real. First in a bin crew.
I say na did you maybe we be bahano na ye hanam no ya sitinemu no say na ye bubu ye kwaya na ye bubu kwaya no ye do kwaya no basa afi na even though ye kwaya even ye koku no krampo ye koku a ye nim say ye do a ye no proka we no proka na betimi ama wafu na ye na etimi ye bet ye do that time na ye do a na ye hye.
Main goal for the BRACE project is to bridge the gap between the communities and extractive sector stakeholders, be it public or private sector, and also to build the capacity of community members to promote good environmental and natural resource governance.
The capacity building of the CREMA is as part of the activities of the BRACE project, where the NDF is building capacity of CREMA communities to be responsible of their actions and to better their protection of and conservation of the natural resources. The NDF started the engagement of these CREMAs last year, and under the project we have 6 selected CREMAs that we are working with. That's the Yensuano CREMA, the Atua CREMA, the Otadebo Sumpim CREMA, the Asobia Inchima CREMA, the Vasopri CREMA, and then the Achechere Sureso Pebasiman CREMA. We aim to build the capacity of these CREMAs to first of all understand and embrace the concept of the CREMA. Now, what are the roles of the CREMA communities?
Men can't hold their bet. Omoba how mobesi omoda and ebra, Omoba say. CREMA for a baby boy, our Hanuman. A moment your body can't call your own baby dynamo in a microbe.
Matissa couldn't be said CREMA more a bonus as near Japadia for buying. So I'm moving a Martin a dear. Now say Moon Church and do what they are making.
In these engagements, you got to find out that the community members didn't know they are part of the CREMA.
And they look on to the executives to do the work in protecting their natural resources in the community.
The management plans or the constitution of the various CREMAs, it's in there that every year they organize an annual general meeting. But quite frankly, it's become very obvious that none of them has been able to do that. So you realize from the response that although CREMA has been operational in all the areas for quite some time, many of the constituents claim they've heard about CREMA, they don't even know what it is.
The goal for this CREMA activities is to, 1, create awareness about the CREMAs, 2, help the CREMAs develop their action plans, and 3, help the CREMAs hold annual general meetings, which is to inform the communities of interventions or the action plans that were carried out from the year 2024 and what they intend to do in the year 2025. And also to provide support to the CREMAs implement their action plans in the year 2025.
Me buy me who say emphasis was we pa fi say you can your home boa no a ye niam bia say de betumi asiesie
mana ye ne fe nso ebetumi asi wɔn a wɔsɛ yɛ nneɛma no ebetumi asi wɔn kwan sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɔmmɛsɛ yɛ nneɛma na ɔnkɔ free.
wei no baayɛ na ɔmbɛkyerɛ yɛ CREMA n'ani so no ama saa haw no so akɔ fam san sɛ ɔbaa farmer no nim sɛ ɛnɛ deɛ ɔno nso wɔ sei wɔ mu nti ɛtena ase ayɛda sɛ wobɛsɛ nneɛma na ɔmfa ma wo a na waka kyerɛw ɔde bɛma wo nso a na ɔno woatena ase aka ho asɛm na compensate na wagya kwan na watumi agu ɛno nso aboa mmekuafoɔ no bebree ahu sɛ ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmaa nso dua nnua no bi ɛde boa climate change na ɛkɔ so no ɛna encroachment sɛ nsuo no ananka ɔmode aduro egum eyi nam wɔpɛ bere mu no ɛna ɛno ɛsɛ easy a ɔmo ntumi nyɛ saa adeɛ no bi si a na ɛbɛboa titire paa na ɔmo involve communities na ahyɛ ɔmo hu sɛ CREMA na yɛ executives no ɛne nipa kakra a ɛwɔ mu nti sɛ nneɛma bi kɔ so na executives no tu ho amanneɛ pa a community no instead sɛ ɔmo nyinaa bɛtɛ akyiri ma yɛtumi aprovent no ɛnam baako mmienu ɔmo hyɛ kakra bi nyɛ nti na ɔmo mmoa but ɛnɛ yi a ɔmo nyinaa hu sɛ saa ɔmo yɛ part deɛ sɛ ɔmo boa ne yɛ protect yɛ lands ne yɛ forestry ne yɛ nsuo ne hu ayi no ɛbɛboa yɛ ma saa bere galamsey na ɛkɔ so no yɛtumi asi ano paa because ɛmmoa yɛn ɛboa ma nsuo na ɛda hɔ no sisi a nsuo a ne kɛseɛ bɛyɛ no ɛnɛ ɔmo ayɛ no bɛyɛ nti aba sei ne deɛ ɛnɛ obi ba na yɛgyina ne yɛka ho asɛm mfi sɛ community no nyinaa bɛboa yɛn ama yɛtumi asi saa adeɛ no ano kwan
sɛsi a meba metima mamate ama ma hu sɛsi nnua adua no kurom nyinaa yɛ nsuo ho nnua adua so yɛ nti ɛda makoma so sɛ me so mɛfɔ so sɛ yɛbɛtumi ayɛ saa nneɛma no nyinaa ɛde aboa ekuo no.
So in mobilizing for the AGMs, you all saw the enthusiasm with which other members came, to listen to what's happening. And now if you look at it, the way the questions and the contributions went, many of them have now come to understand very deeply what it's about. And they've now come to appreciate that if it's talking about CREMA, it's about all of them and not just the CREMA executives, the CRMs that have been elected in the various committees and all that. So for me, the response has been good. And it's been quite revealing, the willingness, the readiness of the other members of the communities. Now appreciate the need for them all to put their shoulders to the wheel to get the CREMA objectives properly implemented for their own good.
The participants were happy because this is the first time almost all CREMAs that we engaged under the 30 meetings had met to assess the progress of the CREMA.
I believe this training is very, very, very good, and it was successful because since I came to Bia National Park, there hasn't been any day where CREMA executive will call the communities to share their action plan. This is the first time, so I will congratulate your organization for bringing such an initiative. So after this program, what the park can do is we will be able to support especially the CREMA executives or the community in terms of technical know-how, in terms if they need any technical support, how they can manage their resources well, both the flora and the fauna. We are ready to support.
We trust that the activities we are implementing is not just going to be a one-time activity, but we will also have constant monitoring to monitor the progress of the CREMAs in their governance structure, in their resource utilization, in their resource management, and at the end of the day, resource conservation.
I feel positive. I think there's hope for the CREMA and there's hope for the future, because now the people are now going to put in maximum effort to protect the natural resources. And if they do, we are going to see a vast difference in what it used to be and what is going to be in the future.